been standing in the doorway, halfway out, halfway in. Every word you said still